While we are used to making unripe papaya as achara, we present an excellent alternative here. Welcome to our channel, and this is Danton. This is a busy day with all the members of the family around during this filming, so please bear with the unnecessary sound not related to our video. But noise aside, I am happy in sharing the homemade recipe of pickled or Atcharang chayote. Our guest here is Aida, who will show us the process. The ingredients earlier we washed and peeled.
Ingredients: sayote, carrots, pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, rice, whole peppercorn, garlic salt, and sugar, and vinegar. Okay?
Cut the carrot in short pieces, then slice in strips. For presentation, remove part of the sides lengthwise, which will enable crafting of some shape and design. We use red bell peppers to add more color to the mix. As with the carrot, cut the bell pepper into strips, or again, be creative and cut different shapes too. Achara is a side dish served to complement either fried, grilled, or roasted food like fish, pork, or chicken. Next, slice ginger and garlic into fine strips, then set aside. Now, once done with some of the ingredients, start shredding chayote. The green vegetable earlier has been peeled and cut in half with the seed already removed. We are using about 7 halves of chayote. Our objective here is to get fine short strips of the green vegetable. As for the shredder, you can grab one from a convenience store. Or you may opt to make one by repurposing an empty can of evaporated milk. Cut it open and flatten out. Punch holes in the side with medium-sized nail. Just be careful because the sharp edge can cause minor cuts on the fingers when shredding. Back to shredding. Once done, mix and mash chayote with salt between 2 to 4 minutes. Cover and set it aside. Preheat a small aluminum pot. Place the vinegar, then add sugar, and later the peppercorn. Stir the mixture for a while. Now Aida starts straining the sayote of its juice. We suggest using cheesecloth, which make the task easier. Then set aside the drained strips.
Dahil sayote, madali lang naman itong ipina.
A quick look at the vinegar here. The vinegar is now simmering. Wash the raisin and soak it in water for a while, then drain and set aside. Aida transfers the drained sayote to a glass bowl for the next step. Back at the vinegar, stir the mixture and let it cool down. Oops! Almost forgot to slice the onions, which follows next. Aida starts mixing the drained chayote strips, adding one at a time julienned onion, red pepper, garlic, ginger, and carrot. Adding the raisins too. Lastly, pour the still warm vinegar on the chayote mix. We suggest using a bigger bowl next time, and maybe a wooden spoon will make good use in mixing too. Don't forget to add the powdered garlic and salt while making sure all ingredients are evenly mixed.
Tapos i-video mo ulit pag naluto na. Kakain ka na. Hindi yung pagkakain ka na.
Now we are ready to transfer the achara on the bottle. Remember the carrots cut in shape? Place it on the side of the bottle before pouring the finished mixture. If there are more extra julienne onion, carrot, and pepper, use it as topping before sealing the bottle. Refrigerate the pickled chayote. It is guaranteed to last until it is fully consumed. Check out the full recipe on our website at www.sibanga360.net. We hope you get some insights on how to pickle a chayote. If you make one, please come back and let us know and share your experience. Before leaving, do hit that button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks and see you next time.